to guys. Authentic Indian food. Look at that. Why you call that one, Tito Mag? Butter chicken?
You're the chef.
Chicken tikka masala? Whatever.
You should know what you've cooked.
Chicken masala. Ayan. Tara po, kain tayo. Kain. Let's eat. At eto na guys ang aking plato. Tara po, kain. Indian food for tonight. Look at that. The sauce. It's a bit spicy, but it's good guys. Tara. Kain tayo.